good people of the universe, it's a new day. I slept very, very good, and during the night, my brain worked. So I opened my eyes, I went to breakfast, and I felt, do I want this to be the last day in Koh Samet? No, I do not. So, I've been down in the reception and I prolonged my stay here for one more night. And I already have a boat ticket from here to the mainland. But now I arranged to have a minibus take me from the pier on the mainland to Bangkok. So, yeah. So now it's arranged. But what am I going to do today? Well, today is yet another scooter day, motorbike day. And this is mine, I hope. This is the yellow, yeah, it's mine. And go to a map and see how Koh Samet is. It's like a very long island. And I've been going all the way to the south, and we are here. And now I'm going like that. On this side was the sunset yesterday, but now I'm going this way. So I'm going back to the big pier and that way. Follow me for more information. Well, now I remembered. Look at this. Miss Hong House. I don't know if I posted, but I've been talking a lot that I was here 3 years ago. And this is where I lived. I wanted to book this house, but they only have like one room with a balcony and stuff. And I really wanted a balcony or like a porch or something so I could sit outside. But yeah, this is the Miss Hong House. And things has happened. This is new. With this lovely lady who's having this coffee shop here. And you can have fruits and smoothies, and I'm full from breakfast, so I can't have anything else. Well, so this is very close to the place where I started the boat tour yesterday. It's just about there, and they have the big pier over there, and I live over there. So there you have the whole sketch out, and the southern part is like there. There you have it. So I just stopped here because I like torn down houses, and this is I think it's not been all built. It's just because it doesn't feel like it's finished, and it's just it has its own little beach as well. Maybe this was planning to... Yeah, they built it in the beginning of the pandemic and then stopped. It looks like it could have been a really, really nice place. Look at this bar here and this place here by the sea, and there's also a pool area there. I mean, just look at this. I want to buy this and make it grand again. Holds for something. Be aware. This is sort of like a disc jockey booth or something. It's not that big of a pool, but then again, you have your own little beach here. And I think this is the reception area here. And this is also, reception. And then you can have like all the people dining here, out here. Here's the bathroom. Oh my God. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh my God. And I think here we have the bathroom. Kind of. Yeah, probably showers and stuff. A lot of cement. I'm getting so mixed signals here, because here we have some food things. Is this the kitchen? Could be. But I mean, it doesn't look like it's been open at all. Look at this. I need to be careful where I go. And this is not a tore down house. This is a beginning of a house. This is probably all the rooms. I imagine. Maybe it wasn't the reception at all. Maybe this is the reception. Well, it says there is a reception, but there are also some vehicles here. But it looks abandoned. Yeah. So this is the reception for this. Like a windmill or something. I don't know. Sleepless? Is that the name of it? No. All this road is very, very nice. And you see a lot of things. And I just stopped at this. And this very nice man, he said, you can come in and look, because it looks so really, really nice. It's Samet Lullaby. It's a bar and you can rent good music, good cocktail, big toilet, open. It looks like a man. Somebody has really thought about. They've put a lot of love into this. I don't know if that says anything, but marine. That's maroon. This is also how you can spell Koh Samet. So it actually had two spellings. It's so nice. And I was like, oh, you can go on a water scooter like this, but no, you're sitting on them. So it's like a table with, oh, this is a window, I think, maybe. It's so I'm gonna come here tonight and eat something. And that's the man who told me that I could be here, and he has actually done all this. So it's amazing. It's all in the details. I thought it was like a rooftop thing, but you can have that room for rent and go into that little thing there. So now I'm at the most northern part. Yesterday was the most southern part. Now it's the most northern part. Oh, look at that. A boat. And it's more natural, I think. Not that fixed. It's not that big. Oh, it does continue over there. I don't know if I can go there. We'll see. I think this has been torn down. It looks a little bit more like it's been open, but it's not anymore. So it's not been taken care of, this beach. It's a little bit like rubbish on the beach and stuff, but not too much though. So I could swim here, but don't really feel like it. No. So now I've been to the northern part, and now I'm going back and going to maybe a secluded beach. We'll see how secluded it is, or maybe it's just rubbish. I'm at a big pier in Koh Samet, and yes, we have a man and his flute again. And on the other side here, according to the legend, a giant woman fell in love with a common man who played the flute. She was so in love with him, but he didn't return the feeling because he was already engaged to a mermaid. So this giant woman got upset and she turned herself into a monster, and she walked along the shore here to find him, but she couldn't find him. And the prince, or the man with the flute, of course he couldn't return the love, so he played the flute until she died. And now there's a statue of the woman, the giant woman, who fell in love with the man and the flute. A sad love story.